Welcome to the Network Security and Firewalls Bootcamp. In this program, you will learn how to protect networks and systems from cyber threats using modern security practices. We'll start with the fundamentals of network security and understand how vulnerabilities occur in networks. You will explore key technologies like firewalls, IDS/IPS systems, network monitoring, and secure configurations used to protect and control network traffic. You'll also learn firewall configuration, threat detection, and secure network design used in real-world environments. This bootcamp also prepares you for advanced certifications like CCNA Security, Fortinet NSE, and Palo Alto PCNSA, helping you build in-demand skills for IT, SOC, and cybersecurity roles. By the end of this course, you'll have the knowledge to implement and manage effective network security solutions. Enroll now